Working with the retail industry is challenging and fun. The data is dynamic with a wide variance of customers' requirements to fulfill. My prior experiences working with the finance domain or with the healthcare industry and having worked with anti-money laundering systems, document and content management systems immensely help in taking up challenges at ETP for the omni-channel retail and e-commerce solution. Within retail, every vertical has its unique requirements. Let's talk about the grocery. Fast scanning, over million products, promotion execution, quick bill generation are some of the features that every customer would look out for. In the fashion retail, seasonal trends, inventory turnover or fast changing customer preferences are the highlights. While in the electronics retail, rapid technology advancements, price wars, customer education are the major requirements. In the luxury retail, brand prestige, exclusivity, personalized shopping experiences are the lookouts. I got an opportunity to work at ETP to work on the product architecture to take the product to the next level. I had worked on the application to make it lightweight, scalable, reliant and fast. Introduced the omni-channel capabilities for ETP store by designing and architecting a new module for ETP Connect. This gave the ability of ETP Retail Suite application to connect to marketplaces, brand sites, third-party storages, etc. and make the application truly omni-channel. Endless aisle with the visible distance of nearby stores added a new dimension to our ETP store functions. Our customers were immensely benefited with the omni-channel capability of ETP store. Designing the data replication services in form of data streaming service so that the data exchange can happen on a real-time basis. Introduce microservices in our retail application which gave the ability to project promotion as a service. Assisting customers by suggesting to them the infrastructure requirements which is tailor-made as per their needs in terms of data storage, data volume, deployment preferences, etc. This resulted in monetary savings for our customers in the form of procuring the appropriate hardware and software licenses, creating hybrid deployment model for ETP Retail Suite on the cloud platform. While architecting a new solution, there are a few touch points and considerations which one needs to follow. They are integration and interoperability, data security, scalability, omni-channel approach, personalization, mobile friendliness, features like inventory management, deployment platform like cloud computing, IoT and RFID usage, having analytics and AI, understanding the customer experience, sustainability of the application, compliance of the application in terms of data, disaster recovery, third-party services integration. So these are the few touch points that one needs to follow to design the architecture. So we had done that diligently at ETP. With our prior experience on the business and technology, supported by our solid understanding of the business functions, we have now created the next generation application developed for the cloud. We introduced our two new applications, Ordazzle, an e-commerce application For the retailers, ETP Unify, the Unify Commerce application for the retailers. These applications have been architected for the cloud and to work on any flavor of the cloud seamlessly using the best of breed tools and technologies. The architecture and design principle of this application is based on the MAC framework or the MAC architecture principles, which is MAC is the acronym for microservices, API based, cloud native and headless. So these are the 4 features of MAC. The other features that we had developed for our cloud application is data caching, which helped us to reduce the expensive database and disk I/O operations. Data streaming, we had used this feature to using this the lightning fast data streaming services. This helped us in faster data movement and data persistence. This also ensured continuous availability of the data across the application. We created rule-based promotion execution. Our business function invocations were derived using Vertex, which is a cutting-edge tool for event management. Every business function is a service in our application, and aggregation of such services helps us to create custom offerings for our customers. Continuous integration and deployment had been one of the major feature. Container-based deployment, which means we can undergo changes while the application runs uninterrupted. This also assures scalability. Scaling up and scaling out on demand is in an automated fashion is another feature of our architecture. As mentioned, cloud agnostic, our application is cloud agnostic, which means we can deploy Ordazzle and Unify on any cloud platform or on any data center. We have built AI capabilities like product recommendation, order anomaly detection, etc. and newer capabilities are being added regularly. The architecture has undergone rigorous testing in terms of scalability and sustainability. We are happy to announce that Ordazzle has the ability to accept and process 5 million plus orders a day. As our product is maturing with our customers working on the product, we are continuously working on the functional enhancements on one side, as well as on the technology side as well. We are coming up with a new version of the cloud architecture, which is at par with the latest advancements in the technology. This includes the architecture framework upgrade, the operating system upgrade, and components upgrade. We are also imbibing more AI capabilities for various functions, scaling up the application framework with React-based tools like Vertex, thus making it lightweight while preserving all other features that it holds.